In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify your Sparrow Wallet download. It is best practice to verify Sparrow Wallet when you download it for the first time and every time you update it as well. Okay, so let's get right into it on my computer. And the first thing we need to do is download some software called GPG Suite. So just search GPG Suite and it should be the first one on the top over here. So make sure you are on gpgtools.org and then just hit download, and that will download onto your computer. Okay, GPG Suite is downloaded, so I'm going to go to my downloads over here and we can see here is the download. I'm going to double click this file and click install. Now I just need to run through the installation process, so I click continue, agree, and install. Quickly fill in my password, and there we go, GPG Suite is installing. Alright, that is all done, so I'm just going to close this here and move to bin. Now I can head over to my applications and it will be called GPG Keychain. So open that. First thing we need to do is create a new key pair. So you put your name, you can put a pseudonym, you need an email, you can put whatever email, it doesn't have to be your personal one, and you can need to create a password, then click create key. I already have a key, so I'm going to quickly import that. And there we go, we can now see my key is in my GPG keychain. I know this is mine because on the left I have the secret key and the public key. Now that we have GPG keychain ready, let's go ahead and download Sparrow. Here I am in Firefox. I'm just going to search Sparrow Wallet. And now you need to make sure that you are on sparrowwallet.com. This .net is a fake site, it's a scam. So make sure you are on sparrowwallet.com. And now at the top right, hit download. Now we need to download 3 files. So firstly, download the binary file for whatever operating system you're on. So I am on OS X for an Apple M1, so I'm going to download this. Then no matter what operating system you're on, you'll need this manifest and this manifest signature file. So download both of these. So now if I open my downloads folder, I'll see that all 3 files are here. Now we can actually go about verifying these files. So all you need to do is scroll down and follow these instructions. So what we need to do is run a few command lines in our terminal. So open your terminal. I like to search it in the top right here, terminal, and it's this one here. So the first line we need to run is this here. So I copy it and paste it in and click return. Now what this line does is it actually imports Craig Raw's key into our GPG keychain. So now if I open my GPG keychain, here is Craig Raw's key. One extra step you want to do is just search keybase.io/Craig Raw, and then just ensure that this key over here matches this key here. So this one ends in 4B40 and so does this one, and before that is 4C67, and that matches. So now I know that this is actually Craig Raw's key I've imported. Cool, the next step is to run CD downloads. So this step is basically telling my computer to open my downloads folder. CD stands for change directory, so I'm changing the directory to my downloads. And as we know from earlier, all these files are sitting in my downloads folder. So I copy CD downloads and paste it into my terminal and click enter. And there we go, we're now in my downloads folder. Next, I need to run this line. So I copy this line quickly and I paste this into the terminal once again and click return. So what we need to do is make sure that this over here matches what it says over here. Assuming signed data in this file, signature made with this date using RSA key, this key, good signature from Craig Raw. So if we look over here, we can see this is the correct file. It was made on the right date. Those match. And if you look at the key over here, these 2 keys match as well. And now the final line, good signature from Craig Raw. Perfect. You may also see this warning, this key is not certified with a trusted signature. That did pop up on my end, so you can just ignore this. This is because I haven't explicitly marked the public key as trusted. So if I go to GPG, I double click Craig Raw and click details, and we'll see the owner trust is set as unknown. So that's why that message appears. You can just ignore that. So what we have done now is verified the signature in the manifest files, which ensures the integrity and authenticity of the manifest file. So what that means is this file over here, this manifest file, is authentic. Now all that's left to do is actually verify the binaries. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll have to run this line depending on what operating system you're on. So OS X, Linux, and Windows. I'm on OS X, so I'm going to copy this whole line over here. I'm going to paste this in my terminal and click enter or return. And this is what I need to look out for. Sparrow 1.7.1 DMG, okay. And as we can see here, Sparrow 1.7.1 arch.dmg, okay. Note this is slightly different, and that is okay. That's just because I downloaded the arch64.dmg file. And that is it. We have now verified that my downloaded file is in fact the correct software. So I can now close my terminal and I can go to my downloads tab. And now I can actually run this file. So I'm going to double click and drag Sparrow to my applications. Now if I head over to my applications, I will see Sparrow right here. So I'm going to open this again, click open. And there we go. I'm now in Sparrow Wallet. I can click file at the top left and open a new wallet or create a new wallet. And I can be sure that I'm doing this with trusted software so I can sleep a bit better at night. And that's it. That is how you verify your Sparrow Wallet download. Before I end this off, I want to say shout out to Craig Raw for creating, in my opinion, the best desktop wallet there is. It's super cool to see South Africans like myself creating software that stores maybe millions or even billions of dollars in Bitcoin. So yeah, shout out Craig Raw and cheers everyone.